I just woke up. My mom called me and had a very funny story about bashers. Just so we're clear, my mama is the original maldita. Okay? Part of my evil I got from her. Of course. And then she called me and she's like, I'm going to give you a Prada bag. So she got a Prada bag from Italy. She flew in, I think, because she flies to Europe all the time. So she bought it at the airport and she wanted to give it to me as a birthday present because she knows nga kana bitang wa ko'y pakialam. And apparently she saw a video ko no. Kuya Mad ko nung naghimo. Kuya Mad ko nung naghimo sa video nga gisaway ko nung gibutang ko na ako ang Louis Vuitton sa plastic bag. Hi! Natawagan kag Kuya Mad ni Ann Magno. Primi Ann Magno. You should be lucky. Kuya Mad pa gitawag sa'yo. Because nagkatawa akong mama nga para kuno sa inyo, big deal kuno kayo ang Louis Vuitton. Ngano kuno na? And then I explained to her, inko ma'am, syempre, dili nato masabtan ng mga tao nga ang Louis Vuitton para sa ilaha, luxury item, nga ginoo ko, pag ipunan nila na po katuig, or bisan kinsa sila magutang-utang o palawagan, para lang yun makasulod sila sa tindahan, nga dili sila ingnon og kawatan. Gi-explain ako sa kumama nga, syempre, kaning mga tao nga, kusugay manghinaway nako, pag liliw ng ilahang mga balay, Louis Vuitton ray mahal. Because that's your type. Nga bitaw ka na bitong Louis Vuitton sa inyo, big deal. Sa amo, magod, I've had Louis Vuittons all my life. All my life. My first Louis Vuitton, I had it when I was 4. And I think it was a backpack. Diba? Because that's it. We are not the same. Ako kung di kasabtan ninyo ako mga bashers ba, you think in this dimension that we share something other than air that comes from the Earth's atmosphere. Because how we deal with luxury items is not the same. Okay? Big deal. Like, mo na ingon si mami nga, ako na lang kaning putson og tarong kasi makaingon sila fake. Inko, my God, mother. Do not stoop down to the level of a dust particle. Nga ginoo ko, mahadlok mo sulod og Louis Vuitton. Kaya basta niya ingnog kawatan. Dili tarungon og SA. Kaya kami mga our Louis Vuittons, we put it on the floor. It's a bag. Even our Hermes, even mom's Hermes, she puts it on the floor. Because it's a bag. Okay? It's not a big deal. So she got me this Prada bag because she bought it at the airport. She only used it once. And I don't care. Inko, mom, whatever. Because remember, we buy random luxury shoes because there's an occasion. Ang anak mi nga type to spend 59,000 on a pair of shoes that will only be worn once. That's how we are in our family. So don't compare us. Don't make an entire video. Diba? Insulting me because I put my Louis Vuitton in a plastic bag. Asa rin ako ibutang? Sa silupin? Sa SM? Diba? Because at the end of the day, whether my bag is fake or not, it is none of your business. Why would you make decisions on a life you cannot afford? Dito na ako, natawagan nino ka sa kumama o Kuya Mad. Akong tawag sa imo tagaw. Because to you, big deal kaayo ang Louis Vuitton. Because probably, I don't blame you. Because probably it's the only luxury item that you have. So tagaw jud ka. So, imog yung i-dust bag, imog planchahon ang dust bag, di mo halos paabugan. No? We're the types that put our Hermes bags on the floor. Diba? We are the types that walk into luxury stores that decide which to buy based on necessity and normalcy. Diba? Ikaw, pilay magutom. Diba? Karang tagaw kay ka ba? Tagaw ka because you're new rich. Big deal sa imo. To us, dili man good, so don't compare. And don't force people to think like you because we are not on the same level. Now, ito ni anak ko, mama. Inko, mom, just put it in a dust bag. Put it in a dust bag, have Tita Cherry bring it over, and I'll use it to Palawan. See? Akong Prada nga bag-o kaayo. Nga, apparently, it's almost 200,000. Ako nagdala og beach. Himo na ko beach bag. Nga moingon mo kang bugira, day, dili na hinambog because realidad na nako. Hambugira rako sa mga tao nga di ka afford nga nagtanaw nga suyaon. Ha? I'm just trying to level with you and be honest with you because at first, I didn't know about that video, manggod nga. Big deal ko no, nagkatawa akong mom siya, nilabay sa kuwa kay nga gi-insulto kag Kuya Mad. Oh my God, matawagan kag Kuya Mad. Inko niya, ipakita niya sa ako ang screenshot sa naong, inko, mom. That's the type of person nga dili pasudlon sa Greenbelt 5 kay magtuo silang kawatan. Diba? We're not the same. Am I clear? Ikaw, grabe na kay kakapusto na mga insulto na ako. Bagong mata. Ingat! Actually, big deal kay sa iya nga giputos ni nako nga Louis Vuitton.
As you can see the date up there, this happened last year. So last year, for my birthday, actually my birthday is June 6, right? June 7, naay concert sa Tagum City, nga perting uwana. I was supposed to leave the concert, but I had to attend it because it was the first time that Daniel Padilla performed for the Bagong Pilipinas Serbisyo Fair concert. So his mother, alam nyo naman, is with me in Tingog, ma'am si Carla Estrada. So nag-text sanay mi, ko, oh my gosh, ang imong anak mo, perform na gyud, support ko. So mautong ni bali ko, and that's what happened to my shoes. To my Louis Vuitton flats. Nga nakita na lang ninyo nga giputos og silupin. Lisod po, dili na ko putso ng silupin. Kung ako ibutang akong bago, nga ang itsura sa sapatos. Lisod po, sa man, inyong tilapan para malimpyo? Mauna. You judge me for putting luxury shoes in a bag, but not quite thinking that ing anak ko kaway pakialam sa inyong luxury nga ginasamba nga mga sapatos nga ako rang gilublob og baha. So that's really what happened to it. Unta na, no, before making a video on it, you would have asked what happened to it first. But of course, just mo sa mangka, you use me for clout. Diba? That's what happens to the Louis Vuitton shoes in our household. It gets used as shoes are used. Sa mga di mo to, oh? Proof. Yeah. Gilub, nakita man po siguro diya sa grass kung unsa gyud ka lawma. Kay lapok magina og baha ang nahitabo. Ang gilublob lang nako ang sapatos. Pambot pila na karon ng flats. Diba? Yeah. At least now you know.